Hey, we're going to be showing you the conversion process on this Ford Expedition. It's 2021. It's got the factory halogen projectors. There is a model trim that comes with the full LED headlights. It's got a darker look to it as well. Customer is going for a more modern look as well as a darker look, so we'll see what we come up with for the paint. But that's how the lights look from the factory. We're going to show you them turned on in a moment, show you how they perform and what they look like. All right, so you can see that's a parking light as well as a turn signal. You got a factory parking light on the side through the amber reflector, which I believe we're painting, and halogen low beam projector. So for 2021, yeah, that looks pretty basic. We're gonna turn off the lights right now, show you what the output looks like. Relatively sharp cutoff, but nothing to really brag about in terms of lighting performance. I've got my meter in my hand, so we're going to be measuring the lux right at the hotspot. You can see it's pretty well defined here, but it's not very wide or anything like that, and that's a typical case for these projectors. But right about here is probably where we're going to find the hotspot. That was definitely the sweet spot there. So I believe we're right at about 260 lux, 264 lux. Let's see if the passenger side's any better. No, it's not any better. About 230, 240 lux. So we'll keep you guys updated on how this changes. You'll see later in the video. Right now we're just gonna get started, tear off the front and get these lights split open. All right, we finally got the Ford Expedition wrapped up. It is day 3. It's been a very long installation and retrofit. So before we turn on the lights, I just want to show you how everything looks. We've got the Diode halos, which are very prominent now, dual halos, and a full gloss black housing with the amber also in black. Now down below, we've got the Morimoto HB LED. It's a high beam only projector system. And up above, we've got the G5BRT system. So it's got that dual projector. So we're gonna turn on the ignition for you right now. And that's gonna turn on the halos. So the halos are wired up to be full-time daytime running light. And as soon as the parking lights come on, they will dim to 50% intensity. And these are also switchbacks. So we've got the profile peak switchback bulbs installed in a blacked out turn signal housing along with the Diode HD LED switchback halos. So again, that's a reduced setting for the parking lights. So when the lights are on at night, they will dim to a lower setting. We're gonna turn on low beams now for you. And it's a G5BRT by Bixenon with Hilux ballast and Osram CBB. We'll let those warm up fully and then we'll do a quick test and show you the output and the performance of the system. We've also got fog lights installed on this. We've got the Diode SLFs in H11. And the goal was to have a nice uniform look on the front end, a little bit more modern. I think we definitely achieved that. Let's see the high beams. So instantaneous high beams, since it's LED and the G5BRT's got the shield in it, so right away it changes over. So you can see a great color match of the whole system. All right, inside the cabin, obviously we're still in the shop, but check out the output of the G5BRT with the CBBs installed. Really uniform. We've got it set up to the same exact position that the original was set up at. And let's check out the low and high beam feature. So the HB LED has a pretty unique beam pattern. It's a little bit hard to see with the G5s turning over to high beam mode, but super intense in low and high beam function. And we're gonna take a quick measurement now. But This looks really, really awesome. So quick measurement, low beam intensity. We're looking at about 770 lux or so. And check out that crispy cutoff line with the color band. Looks really, really sharp. If you guys have any questions, email us. It's info@lightwerkz.net. We perform this similar conversion on many makes and models. Chances are we can do it on your vehicle as well. And we sell a lot of DIY kits along with retrofit brackets, and we can definitely get you set up. So please subscribe to the channel. Check out our social media accounts. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again.